Yes, mental health strategies can significantly contribute to sexual activity and overall sexual health. Mental well-being plays a crucial role in sexual function, desire, and satisfaction. Here's how mental health strategies can positively impact sexual activity. Key mental health strategies. 1. Stress reduction. Impact. Chronic stress can lead to decreased libido and performance anxiety. Managing stress through techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and relaxation exercises can enhance sexual desire and function. Strategies. Engage in regular mindfulness practices, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to help reduce stress levels. 2. Improved communication. Impact. Open communication with partners about desires, boundaries, and concerns can greatly enhance intimacy and sexual satisfaction. Strategies. Practice active listening and share feelings and expectations openly with your partner to foster a supportive environment. 3. Building self-esteem. Impact. Low self-esteem can negatively affect one's body image and confidence, leading to decreased sexual desire. Building self-esteem is essential for a healthy sex life. Strategies. Engage in positive self-talk, set achievable goals, and seek support from friends, family, or professionals to boost self-confidence. 4. Addressing mental health issues. Impact. Conditions such as depression and anxiety can significantly hinder sexual desire and performance. Treating these issues is crucial for improving sexual health. Strategies. Seek therapy or counseling to address mental health concerns, and consider discussing medication options with a healthcare provider if needed. 5. Fostering emotional intimacy. Impact. Emotional connections play a vital role in sexual satisfaction. Strengthening emotional bonds can lead to improved sexual experiences. Strategies. Spend quality time with your partner, engage in activities that promote bonding, and express love and affection regularly. Conclusion. Incorporating mental health strategies into your life can enhance sexual activity and overall sexual satisfaction. By focusing on stress reduction, communication, self-esteem, and emotional intimacy, individuals can improve their sexual health. It's essential to recognize that mental and sexual health are interconnected, and seeking professional help when needed can lead to positive outcomes in both areas.